Hello everyone, welcome to CloudMans. Today we will study one very important topic known as S3 Storage Classes. This topic is important because it will give you information about various storage classes in S3 which you can use to reduce your cost. Because most of the time it happens that we use default S3 standard storage and our data is very infrequently accessed. So we will end up paying higher cost for a data which is very less retrieved. So first one is our default S3 standard. It is available in three availability zones. It is one of the mostly used. So let's go to second one. Second one is our S3 standard infrequent access. As the name suggests, it is used for the data which is infrequently accessed. It has 30 days minimum storage duration. Third one is our S3 one zone access. Here one zone signified one availability zones. Like all the S3 we will study, whether it is standard IA, or intelligent tiering, or the glacier, all of them are available in three availability zones. But this one zone IA will only be available in one availability zone. So if that particular availability zone goes down, you will lose your data. So it's better to use this particular kind of S3 for the data which is reproducible, or uh, it can be like, if it can be lost, then it will must not impact the major section of your infrastructure. So this one also has 30 days of minimum duration. So next one is S3 intelligent tiering. This particular S3 class will change the S3 storage classes based on the access patterns of the data. So it will automatically change the S3 standard classes, but there will be a fee element involved in it. Like you will be charged based on monitoring and automation for access patterns. So keep in mind, like this one is chargeable. At last we have Glacier family. So this one is used for archiving your data, like the data which you don't need access to but want to store. So all three of them are available in three availability zones. For the first two, minimum duration of days are 90. For the last one, it is 180. So for the first one, the latency is in millisecond. So except Glacier Flexible Retrieval and Glacier Deep Archive, all the S3 types have latency of millisecond only. Only Glacier Flexible will have latency of minutes to hours, and Glacier Deep Archive will have latency of uh, hours, retrieval times of hours. And Glacier Deep Archive is the one with the lowest cost, and it is used for less than 1 year access kind of data. So to remember their name, you can use one mnemonic like IFD. I for instant retrieval, F for flexible retrieval, and D for deep archive. So let's go on AWS console to practically implement this. Upload our files using different storage classes. As you can see here, I have different files. Each file name correspond to the storage class we will upload that file to. And here is our S3 bucket. So currently you can see this S3 bucket is empty. So let's go ahead and start uploading. So let's first upload Glacier. So this one is uploaded. Let's refresh. So as you can see, this particular file is uploaded with Glacier Flexible Retrieval storage class. So let's upload with other storage classes of Glacier. Glacier Instance Retrieval. we will store Glacier instant retrieval file there. So as you can see, this particular file have Glacier instant retrieval storage class, and I don't basically remember each and every this particular flag. That's why I have named file corresponding to the flag name only. So a little hack. So what are left? Glacier is done. Let's do for standard. .txt. Okay, .txt is here. Let's quickly upload. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. One zone infrequently accessed. Intelligent tiering file also will be intelligent tiering. Next, let's do Glacier deep archive. Deep archive. Deep archive.txt. So anyone left? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 files here, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 file here. So okay, so deep archive will have storage class deep archive, Glacier instant retrieval, Glacier flexible retrieval, intelligent tiering, one zone IA, and standard. So as you can see, you can store different objects with different storage class type using this particular command. So let me elaborate command to you. So AWS S3 copy your file name, after that S3 bucket, then there is this flag called storage class, and then you can use this particular label with your particular profile name with full access. So these particular label like deep archive and one intelligent tiering, one zone IA, and so on. So actually to find these particular labels, you can also use AWS help like AWS S3 copy -- storage class help. So here it will give you list of each particular label. So we have not covered reduce redundancy in this one, so you can use that also. So these are our files. So this was our video regarding different storage classes. So thank you.